He performs in my show back in Wisconsin at the Dancing Horses Theater. And he has about 150 word vocabulary. About 60% of it is on cue. He sings and does impressions, speaks English and Spanish. He's quite a handful. Loves people, loves audiences, loves the applause, loves being the center of attention at all times.
How long have you had him?
I have been working with Echo for about 9-10 years now.
Echo, you're beautiful.
Yeah, he knows. Tell him your name.
Echo.
Echo. You want to tell him hello?
Hello.
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 How about hi?
Hi.
You tell him in Spanish. Say hola.
Hola.
And ¿qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
Can you hurry?
Venga, venga.
Hurry.
Venga, venga.
Very good boy, Echo. Good job. Good job. Everybody loves you. You know that, huh? Let's see. You're a little bit tired. You want to try and do a song? Can we sing a song, okay? You want to sing a song? Okay? Everybody's looking at you, huh? What's going on? Huh? Give me a little bit of warm-up. La, 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 la. Very good, huh? I'm going to do the Super Pet Expo today. I'm going to give a whistle. There you go. How about, can you cry? And cry? Do people think you're pretty funny? Ha ha ha. You're a pretty funny bird, huh? She's wearing out a little bit, huh? Oh yeah, he's gonna go to sleep. Oh, so sleepy boy, huh? Need a big audience to wake you back up here, huh? Yeah. He's pretty cute. He says, I'm wearing out here, huh? Hey, what do you want?
A cracker.
You want a cracker?
A cracker.
You want a cracker, huh? You're gonna have to give me a kiss? Big kiss? Big kiss? Do you have one kiss? Says I'm fluffing. You shake it off. Shake it off, huh? Huh, what is that thing? You tell him bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye?
Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you.
That's pretty good, Echo.